Chugi or Chorba? Yan
Okay,
na.
round
Here we
6,
go.
round 6.
Round 6.
Oh, yeah. No?
VIP area, boss. Hindi ka pwede dito, boss. Wala kang
Round
VIP
six.
pass.
Round 6.
Okay, kita-kita niyo si Opus na yun, kita-kita. Okay, bumabangon na yata si GJG. Surprisingly.
Nakainom na ng Nescafe. Para kanina
Sa
ka bumabangon.
sa wakas.
Alright,
Para kanina ka
Nakadesperado na yun.
bumabangon.
Okay, looks like na, losing round na si
We're going half. Alright. You could tell GJG trying to recover ahead against Opus.
Kailangan mo lang ng isang
Oo.
N-word. N-word pass.
Opus
Para
looks
manalo.
like he's trying to
Oh!
slow.
Whoa! Wait lang. Looks like there's something going on. Looks like bumabawi na.
Yes.
Mabawi si Shake Kin eh.
Hindi, bumabangon na si
No,
GJG.
Seth is trying to recover. Interestingly,
Uy.
trying to recover.
Uy,
Would
babawas.
ahead of the fight, excuse me, I'm going to have some business.
Babawasan na.
Are you there?
Uy, down.
Oh, one.
Down.
He's down.
Friendly Fire is being presented to you by Deluxe Cable Watch with Deluxe, DLX Karaoke Sing Your Heart Out. Brought to you by Wala, literal na wala, Talil Dishwashing Paste, ng galing-galing, Katipunan Hot Dogs, the #1 hot dog, UNC, we want to move it, and brought to you in part by Pilsen, the #1 paint, Virtual Easy Clean Paint with Teflon, Pilsen Blend and Go Color Station, Patriot Paint, Title Elastomeric, with the participation of